So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral, and this integral looks very much intuitive because once you substitute it you get your desired result. So I'm going to substitute u is my sine of x and I got du is cosine of x and dx. So I get I is integral in terms of this much. You can write du over u squared minus 5u negative of 6, right? So I is going to be integral, and that is du over, so you can replace it by u squared minus 6u plus u minus 6, right? And I is going to be integral du over u minus 6 plus 1 u minus 6, and you get I is integral du over u plus 1 and u minus of 6, right? This much, and you get I is let me just do this as integral du over u plus 1 minus integral du over u minus 6. So once you take the substitution, here we have u minus 6, and if I write here is u this much, so I got u minus 1 minus u this much, and I have to rearrange it by 5, right? So so this would make sense. So once you take LCM, let's also do, once you take LCM, u minus 1 and this is minus u plus 6 and you get is plus 5, and in order to balance this you have to write this much as there. So you get I is 1 over 5 and this much is our ln u minus 6, and this much is our minus ln u plus 1 with some constant c, right? And this is going to be our 1 over 5 ln u minus 6 over u plus 1 with some constant c, and this is going to be 1 over 5 ln, and u is our sin x minus 6 over sin x plus 1 with some constant c. So up to there, bye bye, and try to set your problems